the most spastic thing I've ever seen.
She was so calm and quiet.
She must have been, maybe she's so hungry.
But she did the same thing while we were being at the races.
I'm scared she's gonna pee on me.
Her diaper. I said we should have gotten her diaper. They sell diapers.
What are you doing? What are you doing? I feel like she can't see.
Yeah, I think she doesn't know what to eat. Did I get a special ed one?
Oh my god.
Are you videoing me? Who's chicken?
This is
She's looking a little better.
She's definitely shaking though.
Yeah.
I wonder, do you think it's because
just
she's cold and itchy? Like,
I'll look it up online too.
needs to be, definitely needs to be smaller.
Sweater.
Oh, smaller.
Any specific color you want? I have a whole row of pink.
Canadian colors.
Canadian colors?
Oh, you have pink.
That's yeah.
She's a girl. She can handle pink.
Carrie Cook. Your name could be Carrie. You love Carrie Cook.
That's true.
She's fat.
How about this shake?
She can whine.
She was whining earlier. That's a very good reading thing.
Okay, what's happening? Why do you get lost?
Oh gosh.
Freaking out. Oh my god.
It's good that she's eating.
I think it's good I took her.
Just like standing in her food.